let's reactivate this actually like mystery slime. There's actually like chunks in this. It does not smell good. Okay. It smells really, really bad. I have no idea what this is. It's in one of my far cabinets that I haven't touched in like a year. So kind of scared of it. And the chunks in here are like dried. I don't even know what I have that would look like this. But I'm gonna try my best to reactivate it. I don't know, guys. It is reactivating. But what is it? Oh, it's a nice texture.